Good morning all, I am Sanchita and I welcome you to the special assembly of GD Goenka Global School on the Shera, which is being presented to you by the students of Senior 1 and 2. The word Dashera is derived from a Sanskrit word Dashahara, that means remover of bad faith or remover of 10 heads of Ravan. It is celebrated with great zeal on the 10th day of the Hindu autumn lunar month of Ashwin, that during September or October of the Western calendar. Every year after Navratri, the Shera is celebrated. It also marks the beginning of the harvest season, farmers praying to the Almighty for an abundant crop. Not many of us know that the same day is also commemorated as the Vishwakarma Divas or a Labor Day, which is why books, kitchen knives, spades and even vehicles are worshipped. Before starting with the cultural programs for which my friends have been preparing since the last few weeks, let us join our hands for the prayer and seek blessings from the Divine. Light and peace in the world. We now invite Piyush Mathew with the thought for the day.
Thought of the day. I have only one mouth, I choose to speak wisely. I have only 2 eyes, I choose to see hope. I have only 2 ears, I choose to hear joy. I have only 1 heart, I choose to love unconditionally. I have only 1 mind, I choose to think positively. I have only 2 feet, I choose to stand up and make a difference.
Thank you, Piyush. As I have already introduced, the topic of our assembly is the Shera, but how many of us know what the Shera is all about? I am sure not many of us know all the different forms in which this festival is celebrated and legends behind it. And frankly, even my friends and I didn't have much idea till we started researching about it. So we would now like to share with you all that we have researched about through a role play.
Hey, what are you writing? Today is the Shera.
Dadu, I have to write essay on the Shera, but I don't know anything about it.
Oh, don't worry. I have some friends who will tell you about the Shera and how it is celebrated in India.
The Shera shows the victory of good over evil, and like other festivals, it has various legends attached to it. A According to Ramayana, on this day, Lord Ram, an incarnation of Vishnu, killed Ravan and brought Sita back home. That's why the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbharan are born all over the country. Dussehra also marks the beginning of pleasant and cold weather. According to Mahabharata, after losing everything in the game of dice, Pandavas were exiled by their cousin brother, Kauravas, to 12 years of vanvas and 1 year of living incognito. They spent 12 years living in forest, and in the last year, after hiding their divine weapons in a Shami tree, they decided to reside in the kingdom of Virat. They spent the year in disguise, but as the Kaurav army attacked, they shed their disguise and took their divine weapons from the Shami tree after years on this day. In the battlefield, the Kaurav army routed, and this war led to the Battle of Kurukshetra. Let us now invite Tanzil to enthral us a dance performance which gives a small glimpse of one of many ways how Dussehra is celebrated.
Durga Puja falls every year in the autumn season. Durga Puja is one of the most important festivals of the Hindus. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm and belief by the people of the Hindu religion. It is celebrated in many cities, in villages or places in a culturally and a traditional way. The story behind Durga Puja is this, that in a fierce war between the demons and the gods, one demon, Mahishasur, created havoc on earth and defeated the gods. As he dynamized the world, to stop him, the gods combined their energies and gave birth to goddess Durga. The goddess was blessed with 10 hands and weapons to help her slay Mahishasur. The story says that the fight between Durga and Mahishasur went on for 9 continuous days and 9 nights. And finally, on the 10th day, goddess killed Mahishasur. It is said that this puja first began when Lord Rama performed this puja to obtain power from goddess Durga to kill Ravan. Now, let's watch a dance by Sanchayata that depicts the fierce battle between truth and evil and the eventual victory of truth.
ঢাক বাজা কাসর বাজা উলু দে আর শাখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা হে ঢাক
Navratri comes with the promise of 9 days, filled with fun, frolic, dance and festivities all around. It is one of the most precious festivals celebrated in the country. Navratri not only symbolizes the victory of good over evil, but also celebrates the spirit of Indian culture and togetherness. Devotees not only celebrate the day by offering praise to the goddess, but also wear traditional and colorful dresses, sing folk songs and indulge in other fun activities like playing the Dandiya. Garba and Dandiya are dance forms which were earlier only performed in Gujarat, but now they have become very popular across the country. The lively and colorful dance forms popularity is such that Garba festivals are organized in almost every corner of the country. And in the upcoming performance by Mahir, we will get flavor of yet another celebration.
ढोलीडा ढोल रे बगाड़ मारे हिट लड़ते ए हिट लड़ते मारे चलते को मुझे ए हिट लड़ते मारे चलते को मुझे ढोलीडा ढोल रे बगाड़ मारे हिट लड़ते ढोलीडा ढोल रे बगाड़ मारे हिट तारी किया मने द्वारे आजे हिट लड़ते तारी किया मने द्वारे आजे हिट लड़ते हमारे अपने मने द्वार आजे हिट लड़ते हमारे अपने मने द्वार आजे हिट लड़ते ए हिट लड़ते हमारे चलते को मुझे ए हिट लड़ते हमारे चलते को मुझे ढोलीडा ढोलीडा ढोल रे बगाड़ मारे हिट लड़ते ढोलीडा ढोल रे बगाड़ मारे हिट लड़ते
Wasn't that a lot of information?
Thank you so much, Dadu. Now I will never forget this one.
चलित लंका में बसी रावण की शान, पवन पुत्र ने फूंक दी, जला दिया अभिमान।
विजयों के राम ने किया दशानन, देने को आशीष थे संग में सारे संत।
विजयदशमी में बसा है सच का रसपान, उसी भाव से जल उठे दीपों के दिन मान।
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम।
We hope that this assembly could usher in the festive spirit. We are amidst the greatest crisis this earth has ever been in, and all we can do is pray and seek the blessings of the Almighty to give us strength to stand by those who need and to be brave in all adversities. With God's grace, this too shall pass, and soon we will welcome